Today, it's all about the basics, gaining yoga confidence one basic pose at a time. Hi, I'm Rosemary from You Are Right on Time, and this is Take 5 Yoga, 5 minutes of mat-free yoga, perfect for beginners and gentle yogis. Are you ready to begin your midlife yoga journey? Come on, let's get started. Today's basic pose is mountain pose, Tadasana, as it's called in many yoga practices. Mountain pose is the foundational pose for every other yoga pose that comes after it, but it can be deceiving. It may seem like we're just standing here any old way doing nothing, but there's much more to this mountain. Let's get started. So standing with both feet parallel, and you can be about hip distance apart. Just stand for a moment in your normal pose and see how that feels. Now let's mindfully work our way into mountain pose. We begin at our feet. I invite you to try lifting your toes ever so slightly off the ground, just the toes if you can. If they don't move much, that's fine. And just place them down. And as you place them down, see if you can't grip your toes to the earth beneath you. Can you feel all 4 corners of your feet coming in contact with the floor? This is the foundation of your mountain, so it's important to keep it nice and sturdy and stable. Moving up now to your knees. I invite you to lock your knees. Just really flex them tight. Hold that for a moment and relax. And notice how that feels different when you relax the knees. In mountain pose, it's important not to lock our knees, but to keep them just a little bit soft. Moving up to the core, to our belly. I invite you to tighten your belly, pull your navel in, pull your navel. Notice what's happening to the rest of your body. Did you double over a little to do that? Relax, relax. In mountain pose, we keep our posture erect and a strong belly, but not tightened or bent over. Taking the arms, bringing them down to each side. Thinking about having a pair of athletic pants, you know, where a stripe comes down the side. So using both palms to touch those stripes. And I invite you now to really squeeze your hands, your arms, all the way up. Squeeze them into the body. Squeeze them tight so you can feel yourself working. And relax. And notice how it feels once you've relaxed. Coming up to your shoulders, shrug your shoulders all the way up, bringing the shoulders close to the ear. Hold it there, hold it, and release. Maybe roll your shoulders up and back and down, feeling the shoulder blades coming down the back, setting your posture nice and tall. So I invite you now to try all of that contraction, our toes, our knees, belly, arms, and shoulders. Just give it a try with me. Let's take a deep breath in and curl the toes, lock the knees, pull the navel in, grip your arms tight to the body, shrug your shoulders, hold that, hold that, hold that, and release. Just stand here for a moment. Knees are soft. All 4 corners of your feet in contact with the floor. Hands are at your side without gripping. The shoulders up and back and down. And you are now standing in Tadasana, your mountain pose. One of the biggest mistakes we make in mountain pose is that we rush through it because we feel like we're not doing enough. But that's the point. We're not doing mountain, we are being a mountain. So for a moment, I invite you to visualize yourself as a mountain. What words come to mind when you think of a mountain? Strong, sturdy, majestic. Bring those principles of mountain into your body. Just standing, breathing. Notice how your body feels. Is anything hurting? Do you have the urge to get moving, get going somewhere? Exhale and let that thought go. Just be a mountain. One more deep breath in. Exhale fully and let that go. This has been Mountain Pose. And that's it. Take 5 yoga. 5 minutes of mat-free yoga for beginners and gentle yogis. To learn more about my midlife yoga program, please visit www.youarerightontime.com. I'll see you for our next episode of Take 5 Yoga. And until then, I wish you namaste and peace.